Hi, I'm Tom. Welcome to Worcester Small Order. I'm going to give you a quick walk around of our new Weibang Velocity 68 tracked flail mower. So, to adjust the height of the flail mower, it's really simple and on this winding wheel just here. You go all the way down to 10mm and all the way up to 90, and you just wind it up to the desired number you want. We'll wind it on 40 for now. It's powered by two electric motors, which are driven by a battery, which is then in turn driven by a mild hybrid petrol engine, which is here. So I can show you how it goes forwards and backwards without needing the engine on as it runs off the batteries. We've got a handy fold down step. So this is a safety lever. This is what you need to operate the deck and to go forwards and backwards. So if you want to go forwards, you'll put the lever down and then you can push it forwards on the red dial and then bring it back to neutral and then go backwards for reverse. When you let go of this, the machine will stop. Again, when you want to use, so once you've started the engine, push this lever down, push this forwards and it'll engage the flail mower and then you can drive forwards and backwards. When you let go of the red lever, the mower will stop and the machine will stop at the same time. So to go forwards, I'm going to turn the key, I'm going to put down the safety handle and again I'm going to run off the battery. I'm going to push forwards on this. It's going to go forwards. Because it's electric, and then I can put to neutral. I want to go in reverse, and then back to neutral. If I want to turn, so I'll go forwards, I've got two levers, two handles, and I just pull them in, and it breaks one of the tracks. I'll come back to neutral. So if I'm going to keep going forwards and let go of the handle, it'll stop. So to start the engine, we don't need to use the red handle. I'm going to check it's an on switch just here, so we'll leave this on. Make sure the keys are on, and then we'll pull the choke out. It's this little one here with the little pull handle. Give it a little pull, and give it a pull, and push it in. So now the engine's running. On the handlebars there's a throttle. So we've got a very, very simple cable throttle. The more you rev it, then we'll go back onto riding. So to use the flail mower, I'm going to pull down on our safety handle, and then when I push this lever forwards, it's going to engage the flail mower on the front. So now the flail mower is running. I'm going to rev the mower, or the flail mower, flat out on here. Now the flails are running at the correct speed, and now I'm going to go forwards using my red handle. And I'll come backwards, back into neutral. Go forwards. And now when I want to turn, I'm going to pull on this lever here. It's going to brake me. Same for the other lever. You can see I'm still pulling in the lever. Now I let go, the track will continue to go. It's going quite well at this speed, so maybe I'll go a bit quicker. Is it going a bit too quick? So I just pull back on the lever slightly. And I want to go to reverse, pull back, brake. So now I want to stop mowing. I've put the machine into neutral. When I let go of this handle, the flail mower is going to stop and this will come back. Now I'm going to shut the throttle down on here. Now the flail mower will stop spinning. I'll put the handle back down and I go forwards as normal. And although the engine's running, it's just charging the battery, same as a hybrid car. If I don't want to stand on the plate, if I'm on steep ground, just come off it and the gas strut will lift it up out your way, and then you can use these two levers underneath the bar to just lower it, higher it, and you can offset it as well. If you want to fill up for petrol, these two little levers under there, lock them in, and I'll go on that one. And now I can go forwards as I walk behind. So just for an example, if you fall over, you trip, it's just going to stop. And although the lever's still going forwards, because this handle, even if I pull down on the handle and it's still trying to go forwards, it won't go forwards. We have to put the handle down, bring it to neutral, and now it will go again. Thank you for watching.